Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1896, a horse-drawn carriage raced through town. One of the drivers fell out of the buggy 3 times while whipping his horse. One onlooker stated that our city streets should not be used as a racetrack. This week in 1906, a garden party was held to raise funds for local charity. Japanese-style paper lanterns adorned the event, and a special prize was awarded to Mr. Leon Cooley for guessing the ingredients of a mystery pie. Altogether, $80 were raised. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.